how to change payment method on TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be able to show you how you will be able to change payment method on your TikTok Shop when you order a product. Now first things first, as you can see on our screen, we are currently on the home page, so let's switch over to the shop section over here. Now, you will be able to change your payment method when you order a specific product, or you could do it actually right on your shop homepage by simply clicking on the hamburger icon on the top right. It's usually beside the cart over here on the top right, so simply select the hamburger icon just like that, and you will be able to see the option Payments over here under Orders and beside Help. If you select Payments, you will be able to notice on the top it says Manage Payment Method. So this is where you will be able to change your payment methods on your TikTok Shop, as you can see here. You could add a credit or debit card as well, or when you're ordering or during checkout, you could set it up as cash on delivery. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.